Hello, friends. Welcome back to today's session on growing your business digitally with me, Savan Kumar. And today we are going to talk on the topic how and what should you be posting on social media? What exactly should you post to get maximum visibility, maximum engagement? What exactly should you be posting? That is the biggest question most of the businesses are facing today. They are not sure what do they post. So this video is for all those businesses, all those people who are trying to figure out, who are trying to understand what should they be posting on social media, be it Instagram, be it Facebook, or be it any of your favorite social media channels where your customers are, where your users are. So you need to know these basic things. I'll be sharing with you these 15 things that you should be doing, you should be taking care of whenever you are making next post on Instagram or any other social media. So number 1 is quality videos and photos. You always have to make sure nothing wins over quality. That is one thing that will bring you closer to your customers, closer to your target market. If you are not making sure that the quality of the videos and the photos are good, you are messing up on a big thing. That does not mean that you need to be a pro with whatever you do. You do not need to be a pro and you do not need to be the best, but the quality should be good. The quality should be decent. It cannot be bad, or it cannot be poor, or it should not even be decent. It should be good. It might not be the best, but it should be good. So make sure whatever videos or whatever photos you are uploading are good in quality, because that is where people will engage with your videos or photos, whatever you post. So make sure that the quality is the topmost priority of whatever you post. Number 2, showcase your business. Showcase your business with creativity. Be creative. Find out new things of how you can showcase your business to your target people. You have to be creative, because if you are not creative, you might end up spending a lot of money and time but still not get that engagement that you want. So you have to figure out a creative way, a unique way, a different way to showcase your business on social media platforms. Next is favorite posts for better engagement. You need to figure out what your audiences would love to, what your audiences would like to listen from you. What would those favorite posts be? Favorites about yours, favorites of your audiences. It could be anything, but you need to figure out what those favorite posts could be for better engagement. Number 4 is behind the scene videos. If you have a business that is doing a lot behind the scene before you are giving the final result to your customers, then you should be shooting a behind the scene video and updating it to your social media platforms. Customers are really going to like it and engage with the video, because that is where they see how much of effort, how much of hard work you are actually putting in to get them the result that they get. So that is a really interesting thing. Post tutorials. Share a lot of how-to videos related to your business. This is something that really clicks. Sharing post tutorials. Sharing tutorials, how-to videos in whatever industry you are. That shows how much you want to help your customers. That shows how much you are interested in helping people. That really shows that you care if you are submitting a lot of how-to posts on social media platforms. Beware of the moods. What is this mood thing? As a responsible business owner, you need to understand what kind of mood your users are in. If there has been a natural calamity around, you cannot be posting something fun and something interesting. You have to understand what the mood the users are in. If it is a New Year celebration time, you cannot be posting something that does not connect with the mood of the user. So you have to figure out what the mood the users are in, what your customers are in, and accordingly prepare your posts. Connect with audience via DIY projects. What are these DIY projects? Do it yourself things. So you can connect with your customers using this DIY videos or DIY posts. Some small things related to your business that the users can do it themselves. Do not be afraid that by sharing them with them those tips and tricks will stop them from coming to you. That is not going to happen. But keep sharing with them these DIY things, and that is going to build the trust in the marketplace. That is going to show that you care as a business owner. So try to do a lot of do-it-yourself projects. Next is create a lot of trending posts. There is always a lot of trending things happening around. So try to create posts around that and share or say what you have to say about it. So if Tesla is going to come with a new car, electric car, or Tesla is going to come up with an electric jet, that is the most trending thing today. So create a post around that. How you can connect that trending event with your post, you need to figure out that and connect that and showcase it to your users. Next is hashtags. We often ignore to use hashtags because most of the times we don't understand hashtags. I don't understand hashtags, and that is why even I used to ignore the importance of it. But the moment I started scrolling social media, and whenever I clicked the hashtag and the kind of content that I used to get, I understood the importance of hashtags. I understood how these hashtags work, and that is the secret hidden treasure on social media. You have to be using hashtags whenever you are posting anything. Also, make sure that you are mentioning of other people. You are trying to collaborate and invite other people on your social media platform so that you get a bigger audience to showcase your creativity, your business. You always can have a lot of contests, giveaways, and rewards. That is one thing that attracts a huge number of people, because contests, giveaways, and rewards is something that people are always looking up to. And if you do that, if you run these contests and giveaways, you can add a huge following for yourself. Use live videos as announcements. Start using live videos, because when you go live, social media channels really like it, because that increases the engagement. When you are live, it is being notified to everybody in your list, whoever is following you, that you have gone live. So make sure that you are using live videos for announcements. You are using live videos for as much as possible. Basically, live videos should be used as much as possible. Marketing with influencers. Connect with your influencers. Connect with the influencers in your industry. Connect with the influencers in some other industry who wants to connect. Collaborate with them. Never hesitate in collaborating with the influencers, because that is one way to get quick success on social media. Yes, marketing with influencers. Spread the mood of holidays and festivals. When people are in a festive mood, when people are in a holiday mood, do not post anything other than that. That is going to show once again that you care, that you are really bothered, and you are ready, and you connect with people at their level. You are also celebrating the holidays that they are celebrating. They are also celebrating what you are. So this connects you well with your people, your target audience, your tribe. So if you take care of all of these things as a business owner, you are bound to create a massive social media following for yourself. So make sure that you follow all of these things, and if you have any queries, any questions about any of the things, feel free to get in touch with me, and I will be helping you with all that I can. Until then, have a great and a wonderful day. Bye bye.